Welcome to ANZ Boost. Imagine a motorhome so massive it glides on 60 wheels, rises 3 full stories high, and feels like a moving luxury palace. Sounds impossible. Well, today we're exploring the most futuristic and extravagant motorhome. Ever built a true mansion on wheels that redefines travel? Let's start with the design. From the outside, this giant looks like a blend of a super-powered semi-truck and a futuristic building. The lower level has a sleek aerodynamic front with razor-sharp LED headlights and chrome accents that shimmer like jewelry under the sun. But the real showstopper, 60 massive wheels. Each one has its own advanced suspension, making this enormous. Vehicle glides smoothly on any road. It's not just transportation, it's a moving architectural masterpiece. Step inside, and the first stop is the kitchen. This isn't your average RV setup, it's a luxury chef's dream. Imagine marble countertops with subtle gold veining. A sleek floating island with built-in induction stoves. Hidden smart appliances that blend seamlessly into glossy cabinetry. And soft golden lighting that makes every surface glow. Everything is organized, elegant, and built for comfort, turning cooking into an art. Next, we move to the bedroom. This is pure hotel suite luxury. A king-size floating bed, softly illuminated by a glowing base, sits at the center. Above, the ceiling mimics a starlit sky, creating a calm, dreamy vibe. Floor-to-ceiling smart windows can instantly shift from clear to private, while silk sheets, plush throws, and hidden wardrobes give it the feel of a high-end royal suite. Then comes the bathroom. It's designed like a spa retreat. A frameless glass shower with a rainfall head, a freestanding luxury. Tub, dual floating sinks made of matte ceramic, and a massive smart mirror with integrated lighting. The walls are clad in polished marble, and every fixture is finished in brushed titanium. It's the ultimate combination of minimalism and opulence. Finally, the driver's cockpit. It looks more like the interior of a private jet. A leather-wrapped steering wheel, a huge curved old display with futuristic 3D maps, a holographic heads-up display projected on the windshield, and a crystal gear selector. Driving this feels like commanding a spaceship. This isn't just a motorhome, it's technology, power and luxury fused into one unforgettable experience. So would you take a cross-country trip in this 60-wheeled masterpiece? Drop your thoughts. In the comments, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible luxury reviews.